Function is where it all begins. A product must endure. To create such things is to solve a challenge, not just of engineering, but of vision. We embrace manufacturing as precision, and see automation as a new kind of craftsmanship. We refine every angle, every curve, until form meets function. Every weld, every screw, every surface, engineered for comfort and longevity. Through precision stamping and immaculate surface finishing, we deliver consistency, strength, and beauty in every piece. Never static, never satisfied, because design is not decoration, it's devotion. This is CD Great, where industry meets intention.